Hey guys, what is up? How you doing today? Hope you're having a very productive day today. Sorry. For those of you who do not know me, I am Wendy Rahilly. I've actually been in the online marketing world now for many, many years. And I admit most of those years were spent making a lot of mistakes, trial and error, just learning as I go, that kind of thing, flopping on my face. But every time I got back up. So I've learned a lot these past many years. Okay. Today, I really just wanted to talk to you about a platform that I came across probably about a month and a half ago. At the time, I was building a business in health and wellness, and I was getting success here and there, but it was going really slow. I mean, I wasn't getting the engagement. I was building a following of people, but it was not that great, a lot of people just weren't really connecting with me, and I was a hot mess. So I came across this platform, and I was watching all these people, like they were posting that they were getting paid to complete tasks, and I'm like, well, what the heck does that mean, getting paid to complete tasks? If you ask me, that sounded kind of scammy, like one of those email processing things, But, the more I kept seeing it over and over in the storylines, I've seen it in people's timelines, and people were really getting paid. I mean, it was right there. All the proof was right there. And people were really, their engagement was going through the roof. They had like 400 or 500 likes and comments, and it was just nuts. And I'm like, okay, well, there's something to this, So I looked into it, and I was sold. I hopped on a webinar to learn more about it, and I was just sold. And I was like, well, this is exactly what I need to help level up in my business. So I jumped aboard. Okay, that was a month and a half ago, and I have to tell you, within a week, my engagement was going from getting like maybe 10 to 12 comments to like 50. Within 2 or 3 weeks, I was getting like 100 or more likes and comments, and just people were engaging with me on my messenger box. Is just, I get so many messages now. There's no way I can get through them all in one day, okay? And that's a good thing. It really is. So I just got to tell you, I am just so pleased with this platform. And they say get paid for tasks. These tasks are basically what you do anyway on Facebook. It's you engaging with other people. You liking their stuff and loving on their stuff, and you commenting on their stuff, messaging, talking to people, making videos, making posts. Just everything that you do on Facebook anyway. Now you can get paid to do it. Literally, I'm talking, get paid to do those things that you already do. And no, you do not have to sell anybody anything. And no, you do not have to recruit anybody to earn. You earn while you learn. Literally. I'm sure you've heard that before. Like, earn while you learn. I've heard that a billion times. This is for real. You actually are earning money while you learn, regardless if you pull anybody in or not. And plus, not to mention, it is affiliate marketing platform, so you are also going to earn on people that you bring in too. So it's such a win-win. It's been around now for about 6 months, and it's already got over 11,000 members, and it's already paid out over $700,000 to its members. So I invite you, and you don't even have to like give up what you do now, right? If you're building a business now, you don't have to give that up. It complements what you currently do. It helps you, basically you're learning how to brand yourself, okay? And how to build your engagement, build your target audience, your following. All very important when you're building a business, not to brand your company, to brand you. So this is actually showing you how to do that the right way, like how to post, what to post, when to post, how to engage, when to engage, how much to engage, that kind of thing. Okay, you learn all this stuff and you're paid to do that. Okay, but anyway, like I was saying, you don't have to give up your current business. The only thing I do say is that when you're doing this, you really want to focus on this, because this is going to set you up so that down the road you can have multiple streams of income, and you're already branded. So people are just, no matter what you're doing, people are going to come to you. You know, you don't have to chase people. They're coming to you. Okay, so I would ask that if you did decide to join this, that you would just give it a few exclusive months. I mean, don't try and be promoting all different kind of opportunities. Just give your main focus to this, you know, until you get to that point where you can go ahead and do multiple streams of income, and it won't, you know, you'll be successful. Okay, so anyway, I invite you tonight. We're having a webinar. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern time. The link is in my storyline. For any reason you don't see it, you can always just message me and I'll be happy to give that to you. But I really encourage you to check this out. It's an awesome webinar that really gives you the details of what this program is about. You're going to hear all these different success stories from people who are just killing it with this, okay? So I invite you to please come check us out. Message me if you want the link. Otherwise, go hop into my storyline and you're going to find the registration link there. I would sign up now. Seats fill up fast. For any reason you try to get on the webinar and it's filled up, just message me really quick. I have another way to get you into it, okay? But we do get like 500, 600, 700 participants at one time, because it's just huge. So I totally invite you to come check us out. Go to my storyline, get the registration link, join us tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern time, and I will see you there. So hopefully you'll come check us out and want to try this amazing program for yourself, okay? So thank you so much for tuning in. You have a wonderful day.